So this is for the back. I cut the other side. One side now. I'm completing it.
Na we did what we na one na with the pemu conquajimu na susha yenya mi ayasuna onia inka obechine ya yo harimo
Combine this with this. So this will be flare at the back of the dress shoe. So the side and side. This is how it's going to do. And I've shown one side and not fully. I'll cut here, this out, and this will be gadgets or flare. So it's like this. So from this place, from this, so I'm enlarging the neck, and then this too I have to make it beautiful round because it's over and I don't like over. All right. tape measure. Tape measure and make intervals like 2 inches interval, 2 inches interval to sew, or 3 inches interval. So I mark the circle. Well, this is a trend. So this is it. So I'm going to cut so this will be hanging. It will be back and forth together. I did overlock on the down skirts and the curve, so I'm setting this under the dress, and after that I will fold it this way, fold it inside and stitch on top. So let's see. I cut it flare. This is me. I have the flare under down the dress, and I overlock the waist, the hip line, the top flare, and I pin it up here. So after sewing this, I'm going to fold this and then make the bowl shape, and this place, like this place, I'm going to fold it like this. Like this, and stitch all of it. I'm going to stitch on it. All around, but first I have to stitch this to the hip, to the rules and then have them.
Yes, yeah. Oh, Name. Obey, I'm yes, you mirror, no me cry, now I come, now we did what we do. Now I know now, would the pebble on quite you move. Mr. Yenga me, I have some now. On here, Inca, obey, yeah, you have me more. So,